Let me show you how to fix a tilted video in Camtasia. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I'm here in Camtasia right now and I've got one of my clients' videos. I had to fix the tiltedness in her video. So I'm not sure if you can see, but it's very obvious to me. You can especially see it when you have paintings or pictures on the wall. You can see here that in the painting behind her, it's tilted, right? Because it's bigger on this side and then it's smaller on this side. It's like slanted. And so right away when I got this footage, that's the first thing my eye went to, and I noticed it right away. Luckily, this is an easy fix in pretty much any of the Camtasias. So this is what it looked like before the footage, and then this is what the footage looked like afterwards, after I fixed the tilt and I framed it a bit better. So you can see that there is a major difference here. So that's after, and then this is the before. In my opinion, the after looks better. So let me show you how to do this. When you have your footage, and you want to do this before you start clipping and making small adjustments and everything, because you want to fix the tilt before you start clipping it, otherwise it's going to be annoying if you do it afterwards. Basically what you want to do is you want to click on the video and head over to rotation. Now I bet many of you actually don't touch this area very much, and to be honest, same here. But in order to fix this tilt, you actually need to fix the axis of the video. So here they have the Z or Z, Y, and X axes. So all you want to do is, it's the Z, the Z, however you want to pronounce it, and you just want to tilt it so that it's level, right? Now, I'm making this level according to the picture in the video, not the actual video, because if you look at the video, it is perfectly, horizontal, and it does fit correctly, but I want the picture to be on a straight line. So I'm just going to press the down arrow, and you're going to see it's going to move the tilt. So I'm just pressing the down arrow, and you'll see that my client here is moving. What you'll notice is the video itself is actually tilting, and you're probably like, well, now there's this space over here and this over here, and it just looks completely wonky. Yes, that's true. So now when that happens, we actually need to enlarge the video a little bit and kind of like crop in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click this and drag to enlarge it slightly. We don't want it too big, but I'm just going to go enlarge, and I'm just going to leave it to about there because we're going to play around with it a bit more. I might have to do more, let's see. And you can see that it's almost aligned if I go back to the Z axis here, and you just play around with the up arrow and the down arrow. So I'm just eyeballing it, and I like it when it's like perfectly horizontal and it's straight. That looks good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to align the video. So I'm just going to click back onto it, get out of the Z axis, and now I'm just going to use the arrows up, down, left, right to place the video to my liking. So I'm just going to click down and I'm moving it. We might have to zoom in a little bit more, like make the video bigger. Yeah, so we're going to have to make the video a little bit bigger. And it's more of like a trial and error type thing. So I'm going to click again, make it bigger. And I'm going to just do the arrows again, down arrow. I'm just placing it. You want to be careful not to go too close to the edges, right? Because it's like slightly moved, so you want to be aware that you still have everything in the video and you still have the frame. So that to me is looking pretty good. It's to your preference, right? But at the end of the day, we want to fix that tilt. So that is how you can easily fix a tilted, slanted video in Camtasia. It's by playing around with the rotation on the Z-axis there and getting it to your liking. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought this was helpful. And if you want to edit videos like I do, I have a full-on Camtasia course that you guys can take down in the description below. It's got 10+ hours of content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.